Hello, my dear students. This is Rahal at C High Institute. Our grammar lesson today is about expressions of a quantity. Expressions of a quantity such as many, much, few, less, more, etc. As you know, nouns in English can be countable or uncountable. Countable nouns have singular and plural forms and can be counted. And we can use the indefinite articles a, an, or numbers before them. For example, a pen, pens, a bag, 5 bags. So countable nouns take the plural s. As you can see, we have pens and bags. So we can count the pens. We can say 3 pens, 4 pens, 5 pens. So countable nouns can be counted and can be in the singular or the plural forms. However, uncountable nouns have a singular form and cannot be counted. We cannot count them. And we cannot use the indefinite articles a, an, or numbers before them. As you can see, here we have some examples. Meat, milk, chocolate, traffic. All these words are uncountable. We cannot count the meat. We cannot count the milk. For example, we cannot say 3 meats, 4 meats, or 5 meats. Quantifiers with countable nouns. If we look at the examples here. Example number 1. There are too many cars in the city. So if we look at the noun cars, it is countable and it is in the plural form. We say there are too many cars. We use the quantifier many. But when we say too many cars, it means that we have cars more than necessary or needed. So cars take a plural form are. There are. The second example, there should be fewer cars in the city. So if we have a big number of cars in the city, we need to have a small number of cars. We use the quantifier fewer. It comes before the countable noun cars. There should be fewer cars in the city. We need more trains. Trains is a countable noun, so the number of trains in the city is not enough. So we need more trains in the city. We need to have a big number of trains in the city. So we use the quantifier more. There aren't enough buses. So here we have a quantifier, enough. It comes before the countable noun buses. There aren't enough buses. It means the number of buses is not enough. But we have to pay attention that buses take the plural verb aren't. There aren't. It's in the negative. There aren't enough buses. As for uncountable nouns, if we look at the examples, there is too much traffic. There is too much traffic. The word traffic is uncountable. So we say there is too much traffic. Too much has a negative meaning. It means we have traffic more than necessary in the city. So traffic is uncountable, so it takes a singular verb is. There is. We do not say there are too much traffic. No, it takes a singular verb. The second sentence, there should be less pollution. So if we have too much pollution, we need to have less pollution. So pollution is uncountable, so we use the quantifier less. So less is used with uncountable nouns. It means a small quantity of something. We need more public transportation. So if the public transportation is not enough, we need more public transportation. So public transportation is uncountable. We say we need more public transportation. The last example, there isn't enough parking. Here we have a quantifier enough. It comes before the noun parking. Parking is uncountable, so it takes a singular verb, is. There isn't enough parking, so isn't is a singular verb in the negative. So, as you have seen, more and enough can be used with countable and uncountable nouns. Here we have a short exercise about quantifiers. You can do it yourselves. Okay, I will read it for you. Choose the correct words. There is too much many butter in the fridge, so you need to choose the correct word. Is it much or many? The second sentence, there are many shops in the city. The third sentence, there should be less students in the class. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you.